Hello everyone, welcome to Geekamag. If you're not happy with the AI summaries or AI overview that appear at the top of your Gmail thread like this, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to disable them. First of all, you need to click on the settings gear icon on the upper right side of the screen. Click See All Settings. Under Settings, scroll all the way down to the Google Workspace Smart Features entry and click Manage Workspace Smart Features Settings. In this dialog box, simply toggle off smart features in Google Workspace. And you're done. Now keep in mind, doing this not only turn off AI summaries, but other AI workspace features. So if you use any of these features, then to keep using that particular feature, you need to keep this option on. And unfortunately, AI summaries will not be turned off in Gmail. Now it's your call what to do. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.